Over the last course lectures, you learned all the core basics you need to build amazing Flutter apps, and actually already a bit more than just the basics. After all, we had a look at responsiveness and writing adaptive applications. So that is all super important and gives you a solid set of skills to build Flutter apps. In this module here, we'll dive a bit deeper into Flutter, have a look at some behind the scenes stuff, like for example, how exactly it rebuilds the user interface and what you can do in your code to make that more efficient. And we'll also have a look at a couple of other advanced features or niche features which we need in Flutter apps from time to time. In detail, just as I said, we'll have a look at some of the under the hood stuff Flutter does, which is of course not directly important for you because you don't have to, well, manage that under the hood stuff yourselves, but it's A, always good to know how the tool you're using works, and B, as you will learn, there are some things you can and should maybe think about when writing code because you can then improve the way your app works and, most importantly, improve the performance of your application. That's the transition to the second block or the second important concept or topic we'll have a look at in this section, writing good Flutter code. We'll explore what good code means and then what you can do to improve your code quality and make sure that your app runs good and runs performant, but also that your code is readable and maintainable. And last but not least, throughout this module, we'll also have a look at a couple of advanced Flutter and Dart features. Advanced not really in the sense of super difficult to use, but niche or not always required, but good to know and good to be able to use to improve your apps and to really understand what's happening in your apps. So this is a very important module as it will take you from I know how to write a basic Flutter app to I know what Flutter does and I can now use that to write more advanced apps. Of course, it's by no means the end of the course. We'll have a look at a lot of other core Flutter features, but this is now another important step in your journey to becoming a Flutter developer.